Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'll be sharing with you of how I ended up creating this beautiful piece of art. So I really wanted to do something with the nature and the imprints of the plants and leaves. But further on the video you will see how I failed 2 times in imprinting them, and then I took a U-turn and ended up creating this. So for this particular project, I had no intentions of adding colors. I just wanted to work with browns and greens. But then things don't always go as you plan them. So here I have aligned my paper and I'm putting this removable tape so I can have white spaces so I can write something on them. And then I will move on to imprinting my plants. So one thing I really learned after this particular project was no matter how much you fail at creating something or you end up doing a big disaster, you can always turn that disaster into something really beautiful. Like you saw, I failed my first attempt. Now I'm going towards my second attempt of imprinting the plant. Yes, I blended that green color all over the paper. So for my second attempt, I thought I will do something like this, and as you can see that the leaves have already started falling off even before I put it on the paper. But still I thought I'll give it a go and try. You guys must be thinking that why did I even use watercolors? That is because I wanted that watercolor effect, but unfortunately you are seeing that I failed at it. So I still continued by doing the base experiment with the watercolors only because the pigmentation is really nice. So yes, after 2 horrible fails, I thought a lot, and then I thought of moving ahead and doing something else on it. I thought, why not I do some doodling over it and add some colors. So I'll be using these flash metallic acrylic colors of mine. For my next attempt, I am going ahead with the word nature, and I'll be working on sketchy and flowy lines. I don't want anything to be very static. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video as much as I enjoyed working on it. Don't forget to hit that like button and share with all your friends and family. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. I'll be seeing you guys again in our next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.